Vitaly?
Sure. The next one is Xiang Li with 127 characters, and he's from China. And I really like this example because it reminds us what kind of fun you can have with Mathematica. Again, what does this example do, similar to a few others, it accesses curated data at Wolfram Alpha, integrates them, imports them in Mathematica, and constructs an interactive interface. In this case, we're looking at the films which got Oscar for the Best Picture nomination, and we are looking at the posters. And you can immediately understand how powerful our curated data stored in Wolfram Alpha are. They're not concerning only, for example, elementary particles, physics, mathematical data, graph nodes. They go all over the domain of human life and human data, and contains things like, for example, songs, they're authors of films, for example, and they're posters. So if we can take a look at this code, we see that there is an actually interesting thing. There is a double call to Wolfram Alpha servers. And the person here, Xiang Li, saves characters because he needs to use Wolfram Alpha function twice. He calls a variable w, Wolfram Alpha function, and then uses just w twice. And this is how he saves characters. Another element, of course, triple adds that Xiang explained before. And very interesting constructs here, which could be a little bit surprising in sorts of a power, and you can ask why is it needed. But if you look under the poster, you will understand immediately. Otherwise, we would need construct of a list or a comma or a row, and it really saves characters if you just use a Mathematica typesetted notation for power and put, for example, name of a poster kind of in the power of the year, and it saves you a space. And it's so basically, let's see how it works. I can browse through these posters, and the technology behind it is first call to Wolfram Alpha gets the list of Oscar-nominated films, and the second call to Wolfram Alpha maps over the list and gets the poster images. I did not get all of them because there are many of them, but I will just show just a few, and I recognize some of them. For example, I saw Heart Locker, and it's a great film. And I'm looking forward, for example, to An Artist, which was a nomination pretty recently. So I really love this one because it shows the integrated power of this computing environment, which is called Mathematica, that you can take everything, put it in, and in a few lines of code design something really interesting.
That's a really fun example. I like that one.